aloha. Oh yeah, I got my nails done green. And welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. Today with myself, Chef Connie, we are going to create some tropical deliciousness. And you don't have to be on a Hawaiian or island vacation for this deliciousness. We're gonna make it right at home. You can use it for, hundreds of different ingredients that you can find at your local grocery store. So we're going to make ice cream with bananas. Some people call it nice cream, but whatever it is, it's going to be delicious to your taste buds and mine. What do you think of that? That's what I'm thinking. So let's dive right into this video, creating this ice cream / nice cream deliciousness. All right, here we go, everyone. I am back and ready to create this deliciousness. And I have blueberries, bananas, of course. Everything is frozen, frozen, pineapple, strawberries, ooh, chocolate chips. You guys are party animals. Hey, sprinkles, chocolate powder, so we can make some chocolate ice cream. Even have some pistachios. So I have some honey and agave. Depends on your taste buds and how sweet you want this. Otherwise, for some of us that do low carb, we probably won't add any sugar, or might add some agave or the low carb sweetener of our choice. But then for some of us, hey, we might add some honey, or again, agave is good, even if you like sugar. So there's different sweeteners you can add to this, but we're gonna go ahead and create some deliciousness, and I'm definitely going to go ahead and I'll try it with probably some agave. All right, let me get a spoon, and well, you know what? I can use my fingers. Here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these frozen bananas, and I'll put the ingredients in the description box. There we go. I've got some cocoa powder. First, let me go ahead and get this going. All right. Okay, let me check it. See how this looks right now. Okay, it looks like I will need to, sometimes with these ingredients, you may need to add a little bit of milk or almond milk. It's up to you to get it to be a little bit softer. These are fresh out of the freezer, so they're very frozen. All right, but I'll go ahead. I might have to add some almond milk to this. Put this back on low. I think I'm gonna have to add a little bit of almond milk to that, or I'm gonna add a little bit of cream. So let me put some of this in here. There we go. Now let's give it a try. Okay, folks, let's look at it and see what, it's getting creamy. Let me get my spoon. Oh yes, I'm gonna put a few more ingredients in it. Look at that. Look at that texture. That looks really good. Yes. I'm gonna add, I think I wanna add, this is just bananas, but I think I'm gonna give it a tropical flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some pineapple. All right, and there we go. Now, let's get. Okay, let me wipe down the sides. Go ahead and get that mixed in there. Wow, coming along nicely. It looks just like ice cream. I can't wait to taste this. What do you guys think? All right, let's see what we have here. Wow, this looks delicious, folks. Look at that. Wow, look at this. This looks amazing. Okay. I'm gonna do it one more spin, and I believe that our ice cream / nice cream will be ready to taste. This is our pineapple and banana flavor. Oh yes, and also gonna add just a little bit of vanilla, a teeny bit, and a pinch of salt. Just a small pinch of salt. Nothing spectacular. This helps with the flavor. There we go. All right, and let's see. I'm ready. All right, folks, this is ready. Oh, wow. This is, all right. Let me see. Look at that. Okay, let me taste it. Pineapple banana, delicious. So I'm gonna take this out of here and we're going to make another delicious one. Hey, I am ready to make a banana, blueberry, and strawberry Tropico fruity dessert. So let's do that. Nice cream or ice cream. There we go. We got blueberries. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put these bananas in here. And some strawberries. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my pinch of salt. And our vanilla. All right, let's give this a try. It's going to be delicious. And because the fruit is completely frozen. Oh, by the way, that pineapple and banana one was so sweet, I didn't have to add any sweetener. Don't add any sweetener to your ice cream unless until after you taste it, because it may be sweet enough. Here we go. Open it up and again use my, let's see, there we go. And oh wow, the texture is amazing. Okay, just kind of wipe the sides down just to make sure we get everything blended well. Okay. Here we go. Okay, everyone, let's check. Because the fruit's been sitting out for a few minutes, so it's the perfect texture. It's still frozen, but a little bit softer. So let me get my spoon and I'm gonna give this a taste. Okay. Wow, the texture of this is amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Really good texture. Look at that. Well blended. Okay, I'm gonna give this a taste. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. All right, so we'll go ahead and store this one in the freezer, and the next one we're going to make chocolate with chocolate chips. Yay! What do you guys think of that? That's what I thought. All right, awesome. Okay, everyone, I am ready to make this last load of our nice cream ice cream. There we go. And chocolate. I'm gonna wait until last before I put in the chocolate chips. So put in my little pinch of salt. And don't forget the vanilla, just a little. Yes, you would still use vanilla in this particular, just a teeny bit. All right, Here we go. And I am ready to make this deliciousness. Okay, this one I'll probably add a little bit of cream or two because the chocolate is dry. So it just needs a little bit of additional moisture. There we go. And ready. Okay, I think it's ready. Oh, wow, the texture is beautiful. Let me get a spoon. Let's see, we still have some chocolate over here. But anyway, let's see. Look at this, folks. Healthy ice cream. Ooh. There's no sweetener in it. Again, taste it. If it's not sweet enough, add the sweetener of your choice to get it up to the sweetness that you like. But I'm going to taste it like it is. Chocolatey and delicious. All right, so I'm getting ready to show you folks the deliciousness test. Can't wait, and I know you guys can't wait either. Okay, everyone, we have our 3 different flavors of an ice cream. Our base is banana. Here we go with our chocolate with chips, and our pineapple and banana, and then our banana base with strawberries and blueberries. Absolutely delicious. So I put some chips on this one, and for our pineapple, I think I'm just gonna put some sprinkles. And you can actually not add pineapple and just use the banana for a base and add a little bit more vanilla. And then here we go with this one. It just has so many flavors, I don't think we need to add anything to it. And now I'm ready to do the deliciousness test. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. And yes, you do have a close-up of me because I have the cameras in close for this deliciousness. And here I am going to do the taste test. Let me see. Just like I told you, this is incredible. Yummy. That was the chocolate, and now here we go with the strawberries and the blueberries. I'm gonna put this spoon in the sink. I don't want to double dip on this one. I think my granddaughter's gonna love it. And then here we go again with the pineapple and the banana flavor. All right, so I am ready. Let's see. And with the sprinkles, it adds additional sugar and deliciousness. So here we go again, folks. Thanks for watching. This is a quick, easy, and healthy and yummy recipe that you, your friends, family will love. And what you can do is, instead of buying ice cream, you could always do the nice cream ice cream, which is again based with bananas, but you can add so many, you can add so many flavors and so many options toppings wise. If you want to put on chocolate sauce, sprinkles, chocolate chips, whatever, crumbled Oreo cookies, or any other cookie that you might like. Okay, well, thanks for watching me. This was all a lot of deliciousness today, and I will see you back when we all create some deliciousness. Bye for now. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.